Namuhla kusukela ngo-6 ukuya ngo-8 ebusuku siyobe sidingida sizama ukucazulula nayi inkinga efundeka ngalena ndlela. Hey Thokozane, have nguthanda uTikTok live wakho. I'm a student at Tshwane University of Technology. I'm 21-year-old doing my third year in Bachelor of Education. On April month end, I went to a club with my boyfriend. We met his friend there at the club as prior arranged. Around 10, sahamba saya ku-flat lomngani wakhe where we continued to drink Jägermeister Necronjoga McG. My boyfriend asked his friend to invite his girlfriend over kuzoba mnandi nami ngizoba no-girl engizoxoxa naye. Umngani wakhe wenza njalo vele wafonela umuntu wakhe and we drank until midnight. I-girlfriend yomngani wendoda yami azange ifike. My boyfriend went too hard kula mabhodlela. He dozed off esofeni. Nami I was wasted, but I could still count my fingers and I could still stand straight. I don't know how it happened. Thokozane angazi kwenzeke njani. I found myself kissing umngani we-boyfriend yami. At some point, we moved to ekameleni lakhe. Indoda yami beyisilele esofeni, dead asleep. We did not use a protection. I woke up around 6 a.m. and I woke umngani wendoda yami sakhuluma ngento eyenzekile. We agreed ukuthi kuzoba yimfihlo yethu siyoze singene ethuneni lento lena ingaziwa ngomunye umuntu. We agreed ukuthi we will also pretend as if this never happened and will act normal around my boyfriend. This nje kuzoba ngathi into engakase yenzeke. At around 6:30, I started preparing breakfast for everyone. Ngisizwa ngumngani we-boyfriend yami. For sure, vele bekukwakhe. Now, my worry is, I missed my periods ngo-May. I did not tell my boyfriend this because we always use a protection mina naye. I pray I am not pregnant. Ingane yomngani wakhe ngoba, ngingaba yini nkosi yami. Nisaba nokwenza i-pregnancy test. I still have 1 year to go at UT kuze ngicede degree yami. Ifamily yami can't wait kuze ngicede and my boyfriend has been loyal to me. Bengenzani nkosi? Bengenwe yini? My boyfriend still call umngani wakhe ngaphambi kwami. Amcele ukuthi ngama weekend asambeni sonke like the last time siye eklabini sivale kwakhe. But mina I always have excuses ukuthi singahambi sonke ukuye eklabini ngoba angifuni lokho kuke kwenzeka kuziphinde futhi. Ngicela ningisize ngiphuma njani kule nkinga. Ziningi lezinto and angazi ukuthi ngenze njani. Alright. Ingabe unombono hlangana nathi namuhla ntambama 5 June 2024. Sidingide, si-dissect, si-analyze, si-suggest bese siyam-advisor or anonymous. Izolo sibe ne-discussion nje emnandi lapho sisize khona omunye anonymous. Izolo-ke i-discussion yethu ihambe ngalena ndlela.
Engikufundile ekhaya nengikubonile kungisebenzela mina. When omunye umuntu edinga usizo, sometimes ngiyidinga leyo mali but angikwazi ukucela. Mina ngafundiswa ekhaya ukuthi awuhambe ucela imali ebantwini, awuhambe ucela ukuthi ebantwini. Khona nje ngelinye ilanga ngathi ngasuka ngey'nyawo ngihamba ibanga elide because angikwazi ukucela. Ngafundiswa ukuthi ungaceli. But uma umuntu ekunikeza into, sometimes benginikeza ngisho ngihamba naye uma ibonge. Uma kuwukuthi uma mhlawumbe udecide ukuthi lonto leyo ayitshinge okwakho umali lokho, but angingamenzi umuntu angakhona ukusiza abanye abantu ngenxa yokuthi mina ngilakho. Bakhona abanye abasuke bedinga lolu sizo. That's all I can say for today. And ngiyabonga kakhulu i-platform. Ngiyabonga bakithi angathi singakhulisa iy'ngane zethu ngothando nangendlela eqotho. Edingwa yithina mzali. Uma ubona ukuthi ingane yakho awuyidingi ukuthi ifunde into ethile, ungayilethi kwami. Ngoba mina kwami ingane yakho izokwenza into eyenziwa